Securing essential food support for your family in Georgia is a straightforward process, and this guide will walk you through every step of applying for SNAP benefits. SNAP, or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, is designed to help low-income individuals and families purchase nutritious food. To be eligible, your household income and resources must fall within specific limits set by the state generally. This means a combination of gross and net monthly income below certain thresholds, though there are exceptions for elderly or disabled individuals. The easiest way to apply is online. Visit the Georgia Department of Human Services (DHS) website, look for the section on benefit programs, or apply for benefits. You'll find a link to the online application portal if you prefer. You can also download a paper application from the website or pick one up at your local county DHS office. Before you start, it's wise to gather some important documents. You'll typically need proof of identity, such as a driver's license or state ID, proof of residency, and social security numbers for everyone in your household. Crucially, you'll need to provide verification of all household income, which could include pay stubs, employer statements, or proof of other benefits received like unemployment or social security. If you have medical expenses exceeding a certain amount, or shelter costs, having those receipts handy can also be beneficial. Once you've filled out the application completely and accurately, submit it through the online portal or at your local DHS office. After submission, you may be contacted for a brief interview, often conducted over the phone, to review your information and answer any questions you might have. This is a crucial step to ensure all details are correct and to determine your final eligibility. If approved, you'll receive an electronic benefits transfer, or EBT, card. This card functions like a debit card and can be used at most grocery stores and some farmers markets to purchase eligible food items. This assistance is designed to significantly improve food security for families facing financial challenges and ensure access to healthy, nutritious meals.